Imagine this. You're about to go fly your drone to capture stunning views of Malaysia's breathtaking landscapes. But before you even take off, you have to pay. That's right, Malaysia has just introduced a new prepaid airspace fee for drones, and it's already sparking debate. Is this a game changer for drone enthusiasts, or just another bureaucratic headache? Let's break it down. Discussions are underway regarding a proposed Ringgit Malaysia 1 ringgit and 50 cents per 30 minutes fee for drone operators flying in Class G airspace. If implemented, this fee would replace the old flat rate system, which was much higher. But here's the big question. How exactly will they track your flight time? And is this really a win for drone users, or just a new way to make money off the growing drone community? According to the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia, this new system is designed to lower costs, encourage compliance, and streamline the approval process through a new UAS traffic management system. In theory, this should mean faster approvals and a more organized airspace. But does it really work that way? One of the biggest concerns: how will this be enforced? Will every drone flight require registration? Will authorities be monitoring flight times in real time? Or will this be an honor system? And let's not forget, many casual drone users fly for short periods. If tracking isn't precise, are we looking at potential overcharges? Let's compare the costs. Previously, drone operators had to pay a flat rate permit fee, which could range from Ringgit Malaysia 250 to over 1,000 depending on the flight purpose and location. This was a significant barrier for casual flyers and small businesses. Now, with the Ringgit Malaysia 1 ringgit and 50 cents per 30-minute structure, short-term flights become more affordable, but long-term or commercial flights could end up paying just as much or even more over time. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: lower upfront cost for hobbyists and short-term users. Faster approval process through digital management. More accessible pricing for casual drone flyers. Cons: long-duration flights may still accumulate high fees. Potential difficulties in accurately tracking flight time. Possible enforcement challenges and overcharging concerns. So, is this truly a win for the drone community, or is it just shifting costs around? Debates are heating up in the Facebook group, Malaysia Drone Community, and various other Malaysian drone groups. Some members welcome the proposed change, saying it could make flying more affordable in small time blocks. Others express concerns about unpredictable charges, enforcement issues, and potential long-term restrictions. What do you think? Is this the right move, or is it just more red tape for the drone community? Let us know your thoughts in comments below. Are you excited about this change, or do you think it could backfire? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates on upcoming drone laws, or just watch our previous drone aerial videos and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.